With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. If we talk about this given question is, what is the percentage error in the measurement of time period of a pendulum if maximum errors in the measurement of L and G are 1% and 6% respectively? So what we are given delta L by L into 100, which is nothing but 1%, and similarly we are given the value of delta G over G into 100, which is nothing but 6%. Now we have to find out the maximum percentage error in time period. So we know the time period of simple pendulum is given by 2 pi root over L by G. Now if I try to write its error equation, then this will come out to be delta T over T into 100, and this will be equals to half into delta L over L into 100 plus half into delta L over L, not delta L, this time delta G over G into 100. Okay, now why this half is introduced here? Because this L raises to power half and G also raised to power half. Now if I substitute the respective values of percentage error in L and percentage error in Z here, then I will be getting half into 1% plus half into 6% plus half into 6%. So this much will be the percentage error in time period. Okay, and this comes out to be 7 by 2%. This is the percentage error in time period, and this can be written as 3.5%. So this is our answer. I hope you understood. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.